Hi, I'm Jessica Rose, author of Healthier Beauty, the ultimate guide to radiant skin, hair, and wellness. As a certified nutritionist, licensed cosmetologist, and holistic beauty expert, I've spent over 15 years researching how to live a healthy lifestyle that supports graceful aging. My passion for Healthier Beauty was born from a desire to educate and empower women with a healthier, more sustainable approach to beauty, one where true radiance comes from the inside out. Inside my book, Healthier Beauty, you'll discover the science of skin aging and how to create an effective skincare routine for naturally gorgeous skin. The science of hair and how to create a personalized hair care routine for healthier, stronger hair. How toxins impact aging and how to create a clean beauty routine for healthier hair, skin, and wellness. Anti-aging nutrition secrets and beauty-boosting food recipes, DIY beauty recipes and techniques for glowing skin and hair naturally, and simple self-care rituals that will balance your mind, body, and beauty. My book, Healthier Beauty, will teach you how prioritizing your health can rejuvenate your beauty and overall well-being. With actionable steps and easy-to-follow strategies, you'll look and feel your best at any age. If you're ready to transform your beauty and wellness from the inside out, grab your copy of Healthier Beauty today.